We hear it all the time. My power bill is out of control. The cost of power is going up all the time. And it's true.
In 1990, Kiwis paid an average of 9 cents per kilowatt hour for our electricity. The same unit of electricity today is triple that.
With World Solar, we set out to unlock the sun's potential at your home and not cost you the earth.
Every day, the sun provides more energy than we can ever use.
But we still continue to ignore this free energy source as a nation.
In New Zealand alone, the electricity business currently emits 4.8 billion kilograms of carbon dioxide per year. So what can you do? You could shop around the different power companies for a better deal, but that's complicated.
You can use less power.
Or you can get the sun working for you.
The answer, of course, is solar. It's the cleanest and most efficient form of power known.
But while it's been around for years, until recently, it's been too expensive.
Something had to change, and it has. At World Solar, we don't just sell solar, we're the experts in solar. We have the best technology at the best price, and we always offer seriously good service.
With every solar package, they'll give you 3 options: good, better, best. And they'll show you how much you'll save with each of them.
We'll show you the benefits of adding a battery, how to sell your excess power back to the power companies, and more.
It's easy, and it all starts with a simple free assessment.
Installing World Solar and using our power saving tips can save you thousands. We'll show you how, and we guarantee it.
We believe the sun at your home should live up to its full potential.